This is how you remove overspray, paint, or clear coat from windows when you have a cheap paint job. This is what you do. You get a spray bottle, empty it out, and you pour Goo Gone in it. It's not tire shine, but it's Goo Gone in here. You spray it on, let it sit. Don't let it get on the paint. But you spray it on, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then you get a brand new razor blade, and you scrape your window very carefully. Make sure you get a brand new blade because you don't want to scratch the glass. So what this is providing, the Goo Gone is providing the adhesive removal that's on the paint, but it's also, since Goo Gone has an oil in it, that oil is going to protect the window as you scrape it to keep you from scratching the glass. See that? The oil gives you protects the glass against scratches. So you just want to go side to side, go back. You want to work that oil onto the glass to protect the glass from being scratched, but it removes all of this clear coat. See? All of that's clear coat. This is for when you get a cheap paint job and they don't mask it off, or you buy a car that's been painted. You know, all this is clear coat up there. You can tell because it's a scratching noise. It's rough. The paint's not, the windshield will be like rough. It won't be smooth like glass is supposed to be. What you do is you just work it on there. Keep that glass nice and wet, nice and lubricated with your Goo Gone. Okay. You can hear it. You can hear the paint on here. See? It's all clear coat. Could be paint, could be base or primer, but it's usually clear coat. Now you may need 2 or 3 coats, or you may need the heavy duty Goo Gone. See right there under there, those streaks? That's still residue under there from the paint, from the clear coat. So go back another couple times. See? There you go. That's how you do it. This is how you remove Goo Gone. This is how you use Goo Gone to remove clear coat or paint from auto glass.